Hi, my name is Darren from cleanearthforkids.org. I'm here to teach you one simple fact. Healthy soils sequester carbon. You might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, I'm here to answer that question. Soil contains tiny organisms called microbes. There are a lot of microbes, as many as 50,000 different species and less than a tablespoon of soil. These organisms absorb and cycle through nutrients and water and create a symbiotic relationship with plants to help them with uptake of these valuable resources. Two types of soil microbes, algae and fungi, help absorb carbon and keep it in the soil for these plants. Algae use carbon dioxide from the air to photosynthesize or get energy from the sun. When they die, the organic matter decomposes, releasing this carbon into the soil. AM fungi, or arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, absorb or sequester carbon with the help of a sticky coating of a protein called glomalin. These fungi are responsible for as much as 1/3 of the world's soil carbon. This is a huge amount, especially considering that soil contains more carbon than plants and the atmosphere combined. So you may be wondering, why is sequestering carbon important? Well, carbon dioxide levels are on the rise, and with the continuation of greenhouse gas emissions from cars, power plants, and other sources, air pollution and ultimately climate change are becoming worse and worse. We need to keep these soil microbes healthy in order to keep the carbon that is absorbed in the ground instead of in the air, protect plant health, and aid in sustainable farming practices, which will help feed generations to come. One threat to the health of our soils is pesticides, which significantly reduce the number of microbes in the soil, along with the elimination of weeds and other unwanted pests. We need to come up with alternative solutions to getting rid of these unwanted species. Many cities, schools, and counties have integrated pest management plans, or IPMs, that clearly state the steps that they will take before they result to toxic pesticides. An IPM typically includes cultural, mechanical, and biological processes, such as pulling out the weeds by hand, introducing a beneficial species that will compete with or prey on pests, or modifying the environment to drive out these unwanted organisms. What other solutions can you think of to get rid of weeds and pests without threatening the health of our soils? As IPMs become more and more popular, we need people like you to help them be better.